Welcome back, everybody. I'll try to explain 23rd explanation, shift to 2. So first onwards, easy questions. Means this order is not as it is given in one other side. I have collected from different sources these questions, Google and some other sites and all. So here light lesson. Before in 22nd January, on the lens they asked silvering of lens topic. But today light prism. And in the first shift of this one also, on this date also, they asked about silvering of lens only. But here prism question came. And this is very easy question. Given the angle of prism is equal to angle of minimum deviation. That means given data A is equal to delta. Minimum deviation I am representing by delta. And the refractive index of the prism is given mu. Mu is equal to root 3 is given. Asking to find out A value. So you people need to thorough from the given data which formula I have to use. So now refractive index formula is mu is equal to sine of A plus D by 2 by sine A by 2. This is formula for given angles. That means root 3 is equal to sine of A equal to delta, that equal to A by 2 means sine A. Since A is equal to delta, now sine A by 2. So from this, from the formula of sine A, sine 2A formula, 2 sine A cos A, from that sine A is equal to 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2 by sine A by 2. Sine A by 2, sine A by 2 get cancelled. That implies root 3, these two will come this side, root 3 by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So in cos root 3 by 2 is equal to 30. 30 is equal to cos A by 2, that means A by 2. A is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the required answer. Coming to second question. Charge on the capacitor. So charge on the capacitor means Q is equal to C into V. C is given 8 microfarad. Value potential I have to find out here. I have to find out the potential here. In the circuit, potential is equal to 5 volts. But here potential is equal to V1 and here is V2. Because these two resistors are in series. So potential dividing in this branch and in this branch to the ratio. So if you see resistance are in the ratio, R1 and R2 are in the ratio 2:3. That means V1 is equal to the total resistance, ratio of resistance. That means V by 5 into proportional to R, right? Or 2. Total V, IR, right? Here V1 is equal to I into R. This is the ratios I am taking. 2 and 3. 5 2 is 5 3. So 1 into 2. So here 2 volts, here 3 volts. Okay. So now V1 equal to 2. Now Q is equal to C into 8 microfarads into voltage is equal to 2 volts. That equal to 16 microcoulombs. This is answer. These two are correct. Now see, third question is how much simple question is. So given data is equal to E0 is given. And the C means here velocity of light is given. Find the B0 value. So here what we will do means, so we know that the force is equal to QVB. That means force by Q is equal to VB. V means CB. Force on charge is equal to electric field. That implies E is equal to CB. B naught is equal to E by C. So E by C means 9.3 by 3 into 10 power minus 8. All are given in the same unit. 3 into 10 power 8 will go up. That is equal to 3.1 into 10 power minus 8. So option D correct. So very easy. Direct question they are asking. Now coming to this question. Two charges. One is positive microcoulomb, millicoulomb. This is not micro, millicoulombs. Minus 4 millicoulombs. Both are in the same unit. At minus 7. One is at minus 7. Another one is 7. Means on the x-axis like this. On the x-axis. One is minus 7. That means 7 plus 7 coulombs. 7 into 10 power minus 3 coulombs. And one is at 7. So this is minus 4 into 10 power minus 3 coulombs. Electrostatic potential energy is asking. The electrostatic potential energy is equal to K Q1 Q2. Potential energy is always negative by the conservative field electric field minus K Q2 by R. R means here 14. So here this is SI unit only have to take because all are in meter square is given in the epsilon naught value. Therefore meters only take. The distance here it will become see minus 7 to 7 14 meters will become. So this value substitute here K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught that equal 9 into 10 to the power of 9. So from the given epsilon naught value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K value that equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 7 into 10 power minus 3 Q2 minus 4 into 10 power minus 3 minus of minus plus will come here already minus value is there no? By R equal to 14 meters. So this is 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So 2 9 is 18. So 18 minus 18 kilojoules. Here 9 minus 6 gone with kilojoules. So this is very easy question. Next here this is find the wavelength means I think this is belongs to atoms lesson and energy. So wavelength incident radiation where work function stopping potential is 4 volts. So E equal to h nu by lambda I think so formula because h nu is given by lambda is asking wavelength. That implies wavelength is equal to h nu value is given 242 electron volts. That means you want to convert into joules means you can write 10 power minus 1.6 10 power minus 19 joules you can write, otherwise no need. So because here also electron volts is given, here voltage is given. So E value here I can take 4 plus 4.12. So that equal to how much will come 8.12. So now if you do means some answer 153 will come. So that is answer. And this is also see magnetic permeability, torsional constant, magnetic induction, magnetic momentum. Magnetic permeability means mu naught. Already yesterday B by mu naught came right for us. I by D formula. B by mu naught is equal to I by D. Here B is equal to, so here B naught is equal to formula BD by I. I can go with BD by I. So here B value of dimensional formula, matter following here dimensional formulas are given. So B value I don't know, I and D I know because these two are fundamental units, right? Fundamental quantities, so fundamental units they have, but B I don't know. So magnetic induction B I will find out first. C option magnetic induction. So magnetic induction B is equal to, in the known quantities I will write F by I into L because F equal B equal F equal to BIL now Bill sin theta, right? B equal to FIL. Sin theta anyhow no dimension or maximum field is equal to maximum force is equal to BIL. So here IL fundamental quantities, force also I know, therefore M L T power minus 2 by A and length is equal to L dimension formula. So get cancelled, that equal to M L0 T power minus 2 A power minus 1. So this is magnetic induction, known formula and easy one. If you know this one only, I can find out mu naught magnetic permeability. That's why I find this one B. Once verify this, M A power minus 1 T power minus 2 L0 here not given. So this is the answer. First magnetic induction, third one is P. Now we have to verify third one P. Option A is there, option B is also there, Option C also there. Okay, next another one. Magnetic momentum I will find out. Otherwise, permeability. B value came now. That equal to M T power minus 2 and A power minus 1 into D means L. D means L by ampere means A again. Therefore, A power minus 1. So that is equal to M L T power minus 2 force into A power minus 2. Force by I square. So M L T power minus 2 A power minus 2. So yes. So this is S. 1 S CP. 1 S CP. 1 S and CP. So A, D options now, right? So I'll go with the D. Torsional constant. Instead of this one, you can find out, or you can find out the magnetic momentum. So D option I'll find. Magnetic momentum capital M is equal to 2L into M, magnetic pole strength. Pole strength is equal to ampere meter. So 2L is meter, therefore ampere meter square. So that equal to A into L square or L square A. Therefore Q. Fourth one is Q. So check once. Fourth one is here R. AD options. Fourth one R. Here fourth one Q. So answer A. So like this. This no need to find out. Maximum reduce the time for very simple one. Find out and verify the options. For C, it is very damn sure question, right? Otherwise D very damn sure question. First verify DQ over DQ means A and C. Like that eliminate options. Next CP, but CQ is given. So this is C get cancelled. A will be correct answer. Like that. That is your point of view, which is that choice of questions what you are taking. This is help you to save the times, right? In math, the following are given means in advance it will be very very important. Eliminating options, right? In coming into seventh one, so a satellite is 9 times closer to compare to the moon. So here I will take another page. That's why. So this is the Earth here. So there is a 9 times closer because here is the moon consider. This is the moon, and here is closer one means this is the satellite here moon. So this total distance is equal to from moon to Earth is equal to some small r you take. So this is 9 times closer means r by 9 will come. This is right. Otherwise this is n times means this is r by time. And here the time period formula time t square is proportional to according to Kepler's formula t square proportional to a cube radius cube root of the distance from sun to planet here earth to moon. So now t1 this is t1 around the moon. So for t2 I want to find out whole cube is equal to a cube. The distance is moon distance is r I have taken. This is 9 r by 9. So that equal to how much will come? A by 9. So into 9 whole cube. So now this is 27 by x is equal to A get cancelled. So now 9 into 3 by 2. Therefore 3 square into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 3 cube means 27. Therefore x is equal to 1 day. So this is answer. So next question. So you can understand. So here I too thought that here A by 9 is correct or not, but it is correct only. 9 times closer means moon distance is A. Then 9 times closer means R by 9 only will take, right? A by 9 only. So this is correct. So now coming into 8th one. So 8th one LR circuit I have to take. The angular frequency omega is asking. Omega angular frequency source when current is maximum. And current is maximum is equal to maximum is resonance that equal to omega is equal to 1 by root LC according to because I am not sure. We'll try this is 1 by root LC. Angular frequency omega is asking 1 by root over maximum current means this is only formula. At maximum current angular frequency equal 1 by root LC 30 into 300. So root over 3 into 3 900 3 will come 2 pi by 3c. Okay, it is not coming answer. 30 L C value is equal 300. This is milli and micro. So 10 power minus 9 will come. So that equal to 3000 9000 9 into 10 cube into this is 10 power minus 9. So that equal to 1 by 3 into 10 power 3 will come. but answer is not there. So this is not, I think this is the formula is wrong, I think so. Okay. Yes, ninth one we'll see. In ninth one, these two are the questions. In one set, like this they were given on the same concept. Another set like this in one of the side from where I got. So like this. So this is displacement wave equation, wave represented by the motion of the wave represented by this formula. So wave is equal to the displacement of wave is equal to A into amplitude into sin r cos omega t minus plus or minus kx or kx minus plus or minus omega t. This is phase. Omega t minus kx is called phase. And here x coefficient k, t coefficient w. Therefore, velocity of the wave is equal to coefficient of t by coefficient of k by omega. We'll write right. Coefficient of t by omega by k. Coefficient of x. So that equal to omega by k is equal to v. So here omega is given 6000 by k value is equal given 30 into 10 power minus 3. So 30 into this 10 cube will go this side. So 3 get cancelled. So 2 into 10 power 5. 2 into 10 power 5 meter second was. So this is answer C, correct. So coming into here, this is another set they have given. X is equal to 4 into sine of omega, kx plus omega t. Here omega is equal to 600. Same, we know that v is equal to omega by k, wave velocity. Particle velocity is equal to wave velocity into negative slope. Otherwise, minus v into slope of the wave equation, right? Depends on the slope side. The particle velocity is positive or negative will come, right? So v is equal to omega by k. Remember this, omega by k. No need to remember this formula, coefficient of t by coefficient of x. V equal to omega by k. That equal to 600 by 20 into 10 power 10 cube. That equal to 2 to get cancelled 30. Means 3 into 10 power 4 here. But they're asking n into 10 power 4. So n into 10 power 4, then find the n value. So n value is equal to 3. This is the answer 3 I have taken, right? This is a question related to wave equation. Now in concave mirror, this is how much simple question they ask here. Concave mirror focal length is f. It is immersed in a medium of refractive index mu. Ri means refractive index. Now focal length will be. So this is the general concept. The focal length means reflection. On mirror, reflection will take place. So reflection means in which media the velocity is same only, right? It is not traveling. It is not changing from one medium to another medium. So focal length will not affect on surrounding media for the mirrors. Therefore, focal length is same only. That is the reason f. Reflection take place here. Concept is what? Reflection take place on mirror. So reflection means what? The light traveling in the same medium. Reflection is nothing but in which media incident ray is there, in the reflected ray also in the same medium. So same medium reflection take place. Means now it is in the media of refractive index mu. Their speed of the incident light and reflected light is same. So therefore focal length is same only. So that is the reason. According to me now. So this question also easy question only. 11th question. Only is asking work done. It is not a cyclic process, not closed. So here see, if we see, this is AB is isobaric process. I'll try to explain everything. AB is isobaric because pressure is constant P0 and value is changing from 2V0 to 3V0. Is asking only work done. Work done is equal to formula always work done is equal to dW is equal to P into dV. So work done in heat in isobaric process NR delta T. So that will be different, right? Or NCP delta T. Du is equal to NCP delta T in all the process. There is no doubt at all. In some thermodynamic video, I have given very clearly all the table. So you can check there. So in AB is isobaric process. Therefore, work done is equal to P dV. P is equal to P0 into V is increasing. Therefore, work done is positive. In that, no doubt. So V2 minus V0, 3V0 means 3V0 minus 2V0, V0 is the equation 1. Now B2C is isochoric. Isochoric. So maybe they will give like this one diagram and they will ask the process of AB, process of BC, process of EC and match the following they can ask. So now BC is equal to V is isochoric means V is constant, dV is equal to 0, therefore work done equal to 0. Equation 2. So now work done from C to E. Again it is isobaric process. C2 is isobaric process. So therefore PdV. But here work done equal to minus because volume is decreasing from 3V0 to V0. Therefore 2P0 into 3V minus V0 equal to 2V0. Minus already I have taken that equal to minus 4P0 into V0. Therefore total work done A to E is equal to adding all of these W1 plus W2 plus W3, that equal to minus 3P0 V0 is the answer. So verified. Now coming into 12th, here diodes are given and the forward bias because plus is connected to the junction here. So it's the forward bias. Therefore current I1 and I2 and ideal diodes. So the same current will pass through resistance and diode also. So now, so total current is equal to I is equal to the they have resistance is ideal diodes means their resistance is very less and 0 we can take their resistance. So therefore resistance here 20 and 20 parallel. Therefore I is equal to V by R effective enough. So that equal to V is equal to here V is given. So here V is not given. I think I forgot to copy this. V is equal to. So V is given means V by the R effective is equal to 10 will come. R by 2 10 will come. So based on that we can write this answer. Right. Here V is not given. From that we will get right. During the charging, this is again capacity 2.5 microfarad in DC circuit. The displacement of the current found to be 0.25 milliamperes. Displacement of current I. That means di by dt I can write. So find the rate of change in voltage. So we know V is equal to here given data is actually rate of change in voltage. V is equal to IR I can go. Otherwise here charging is given right. So in the charging time and capacity of the system is given. So therefore V is equal to Q by C I can sorry Q is equal to CV. V is equal to Q by C, correct only. Q by C I can go. C value is given. So dV by dt. So change in voltage with respect to time dV by dt is equal to 1 by C into dQ by dt. So dQ by dt is given, that is current 0. And C also is given. So dV by dt is asking. Therefore dQ by dt is equal 0.25 into milli, that equal 10 power minus 3 amperes by 2.5 into 10 power minus 6. This will become 10 power plus 6 will come here. Therefore 0.25 into 10 cube by 2.5. So this is equal to 25 by 25 into 10 power 4. 10 power 4. So that equal to 1 into 10 power 4. So here it is not given. I think they are asking microfarad, correct only. 1 by C, Q by C. Q is equal to CV, V is equal to Q by C. So answer is 100. 100 will not come. This is micro only. Milli means 10 power minus 3 amperes. 0.2525. So 3 multiply, sorry, here it is wrong. 25. So 0.25 into the year calculation, 0.25 into this one. So that equal to 100 will come. So 100 volts by second. So correct answer. So here 0.25 by 2.5 means it is not 25 by 25 into 10 power 4. 0.25 by 25 into 10 power 4. So 100 multiply here means 25 by 25. 100 is remaining, right? So simple, something mistaken, it will go everything wrong. So now a particle of mass m projected at an angle 60 with horizontal. Okay, it is kinematics question. And if kinetic energy is Ke, if initial kinetic energy is Ke, therefore Ke is equal to half m into u square. So now kinetic energy at the maximum height is equal to Ke by x. So kinetic energy at the maximum height, already the same model of question they asked in first session, I think so, 22. Change in the kinetic energy between maximum height and initial kinetic energy, that is 15 joules. Now they are asking ratio or kinetic energy at the maximum height is given. Now find the x value is asking, the same concept. So that equal to kinetic energy at the maximum height is equal to Ke2 I will take. That equal to 1 by 2 m into u cos theta whole square at the maximum height. So that equal to 1 by 2 mu square into cos square theta. Here is given what? Angle is equal 60. Cos 60 1 by 2 1 by 4 will come. So therefore Ke2 is equal to the kinetic energy at maximum height is equal to Ke by 4. That means x is equal to 4. This is the answer. So now next one. A satellite moving in a circular orbit of height r from the surface of Earth. See here it is very important. So the satellite is revolving from the surface of Earth in the radius r, in the height r, and radius is r. Therefore, the height of the satellite is equal to small r is equal to 2r. R plus h, 2r will come. Angular momentum. So angular momentum L is equal to m into v bar into v dot into r h. That means r, that equal to r. So here v naught is equal to how much? Orbital velocity at this height. So orbital velocity we know v is equal to root over 2 gm by r plus h, that equal to 2r. So 2 get cancelled. So gm by root 2r means root over gm by r, v naught. So remember this simple concept I will tell. In calculation of orbital velocity, we will take force. Potential energy is equal to, means there with orbital velocity centripetal force is equal to mv square by small r is equal to potential energy at that point, that equal to gmm, means force. Centripetal force is equal to the gravitational force. mv naught square by r is equal to gm by r square. So now this cancel means v naught is equal to gm by v naught square is equal to gm by r will come. So not 2 gm by r. Sorry, this is. So here 2 will be remained. So v naught is equal to root over gm by r only. So g into m by r means 2r. And we know the gm is equal to gr square. Because for that small g and capital G relation, g is equal to gm by r square, gr square L substitute means. So this is root over, because in answer capital G only, keep like this only, no need to change here. I didn't see the answer. So they're asking m into n gm r they have given. Find the n value. Gm into r naught by r. Find the n value they're asking. So now L is equal to mv naught into 2r, angular momentum. So I omega again, that will be long process. So no need, mv naught into 2r only correct. So now L is equal to mass into mass of the planet satellite into root over v naught is equal to gm by 2r into 2r means it will come inside 4r. 4r square will come, right? The 2r come inside the root 2. So 2 1 2 2 they get cancelled, and r square get cancelled means that equal to m into root over 2 gm into r, means here gm into r. Therefore n value is equal to, it is calculation of orbital velocity. So coming into kinetic energy escape velocity means kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy of satellite at that height is equal to, that means 1 by 2 mv square. Escape velocity is equal to, the v is the escape velocity at the surface of Earth or orbital, any orbital in the distance r, that equal to potential energy minus gmm by r. So this r equal to r plus h from that height to escape from that height. If it is from the Earth means minus gmm by capital R will take. So that is equal to v from the Earth to escape from the Earth surface, not from the orbital, Earth surface. So the kinetic energy of mv square. So that equal to v is equal to the root 2 into v naught will come. So gm by r 2 will go that side. V is equal to root 2 into v naught, root 2 gr or v naught. That is 11.2 kilometer per second for Earth, 7.32 kilometer for second for moon, 27 or something exactly I don't know for sun. That directly they have given in the notes. Escape velocities you can verify and you can go right. Clearly once note that point, 7.32 kilometer per second for the moon surface, we know that is clearly means escape velocity on Earth how much is there. So g value root 2 gr na, that equal to by root 6 will do means you will get answer 11.2 by root 6. root 6 value approximately 2 point something 2.5 like that, we'll get 7.732. And G value is equal to 27.8 times root 27.8 times. You have to multiply for escape velocity of Earth. But exactly I don't know, we can calculate. Now coming into this next question. The energy in the system varies with the position. Energy is given where beta is equal to 0.3 second, given that percentage error. Okay. Percentage error means we have to find out the relation between these this one dE by E I have to do. So dE by E, I can go with here. E is there here. So we are derivating E, the same E will come. So what I will do means I will change this E into log. So apply both the sides log. Means E, anytime you are derivating, the same thing will come. But we have to change this one. That's why L into E is equal to, we are applying the logarithm. L into E is equal to, you will get 3 ln into x. Okay, now plus means log of A into B is equal to log A plus log B. So 3 into log ln into x plus only beta, minus beta will come here. So now derivate now. So if we are derivating this dE by E, right? D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. That equal to dE by E. That is equal to 3 into dx by x minus beta into minus beta. That's enough. Dt by t. Okay, dt by t. Here, okay, x value is given to that error in the time is also given. Find the maximum in error in t equal to 5 seconds. So time is given. So beta into dt by t. So t is 5 you have to take. So now beta value. So beta at 5 seconds you have to find out. Beta into t at 5 seconds. So therefore, here again coming into beta equal 0.3 is given already. So now substitute directly. So that equal to 3 into 1.2 percentage. By x value here, x value is not given. So delta x by, okay, this is the percentage error. That means delta x by x in x is given. So into 100 you can go minus 0.3 into 1.6 into 100. So that is equal to, so 3 into, this is 120 will come, 120 into 3, 360 minus, the asking percentage error. So this is 160 into 3, 480. So minus indicate decreasing here. So 480, 160 means again it is 120. So 120 by 100, percentage error means here delta E by E only you are finding, but percentage means by 100, that equal to 1.22. And at t is equal to, they are asking t equal 5 seconds, multiply into t. So that equal to, we will get 6%. This is 1.2 percentage. So 6% is the answer. Right. So now next question. Again. So this is already discussed in the first question. First question I have taken, this is 60 degrees. No. So galvanometer question sequence. So in my video I have explained this galvanometer and means galvanometer converting into ammeter and voltmeter. So when galvanometer is converting into ammeter, so this is I. So this is IZ. Is initially I, this is when there is no shunt, means I want to convert into ammeter, I have to shunt one resistance. S is the resistance here I am shunting. So this is the galvanometer resistance is given 30 ohms to G. And here IZ will go. Now here IZ minus IS. The current through shunting resistance, ammeter resistance, this is IS. And here IZ minus IS is the current by the ammeter. So this is current of ammeter. How much current is going through ammeter? IG is the current through galvanometer. I is the current in the circuit initially. Therefore, here potential is equal to same, right? In the parallel potential is same. Therefore, Ig into G. This is the construction of ammeter actually. Ig into G is equal to Ig minus Is. So this is ammeter current into shunting resistance. Is given data one check. This is the concept related to ammeter. You want to find out the S means. So S is equal to Ig into G by G means resistance here by Ig minus Is. Otherwise, in one more terms also. The current I want to find out in ammeter means also we can have a formulas from this only. This is concept only. See, Ig by Ig by Ig minus Is is the shunting resistance value, and I want to current Is means, so this Ig into S will come this side. So actually here Ig minus Is, okay, both are equal. So here that implies Is is equal to Ig into G by S plus G. So here S plus G. So here Is minus Ig has to come. The total current is equal to 0. Potential is equal. So something here. Okay, we'll see. This is the current. Ig minus Is is the Is current. Okay, Ig. Okay, this is total current here actually. This is not Is. Ig minus Is only Is. Therefore Ig by S only the answer. Current through this one. So Ig minus total I, this is not Is. I means potentials Ig into G. The Ig means current through the galvanometer, and Ig minus I is the current in a system. That will be dividing into Ig into some current will go Ig minus I. That is the, this is equal to current through ammeter. Ig minus I through the shunting resistance. Okay, now this is Is. So now we can find out Ia. Now see, Ia is given already, G is given, and full scale deflections when the current through 20 milliamperes. Okay, the Ig also given. So substitute everything. Asking S is equal to Ig into G by Is. So this is Ia, not Is, Ia. So now this is Ig is how much? 20 into 10 power minus 3 into G is equal to 30 by Ia equal to 3. 3 1 ja, 3 10 ja. So that equal to 2 into minus 1, that equal 0.2 ohms. It is a shunting resistance. And ammeter resistance should be always very, very less. Ideal ammeter is equal to 0. Depends on shunting resistance is proportional to the current, right? So this is ammeter. So you want more clear about the ammeter? I have already made a video about ammeter and galvanometer. You can check. Right now, next question. Torque on uniform disc of mass 2 kg. Radius 1 is given by torque is given. So torque pi t square minus t is varying. The disc was initially rest. Omega is equal to 0. Omega naught is equal to 0. The radian second power minus 2. Find the power by the torque at t equal to, power is equal to work done by time. We know that is in mechanics. Torque is rotational mechanics. So work done by time. That equal to tau into d theta by dt. Tau dot d theta by dt. That equal to tau dot omega. We can find out. Omega after t equal to 1 second. So omega we have to find out. Otherwise tau is equal to I alpha. From there also you can find out. Okay, we'll see. So now, yeah, tau is equal means omega I want to find out after t equal to 1 second. To find out omega, here tau is given. And it is like power is equal in mechanics, we have F dot V, right? So similarly, in rotatory motion, tau dot omega. So we got. So now here I want to find out omega value. Tau is already there. Omega value I want to find out. So tau is equal to, I know, I alpha. So I is equal to, here it is given disk, uniform disk, mr square by 2 into alpha is equal to alpha. I don't know. So tau at t equal to 1, tau is equal to 5t square minus 80. Now you can see. So tau is equal to I alpha. Alpha value I have to find out. So m value is equal to 2 kg. R is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha. Therefore, this is very cancel. Alpha is equal to yes 5t square minus 80. So alpha equal to d omega by dt is equal to 10t minus 8. At t is equal to 1. So t is equal to means d omega is equal to again d omega by dt means angular velocity is given. Angular velocity is equal to, again if you are doing integration you get alpha value only. D omega equal to 10t minus 8. That equal to alpha is equal to how much is coming at t equal to 1 second. Then 10 minus 1 is coming. So alpha equal to d omega by dt. Therefore, how I have done this is wrong. This is wrong. Sorry. So see. So omega I want to find out. So alpha equal d omega by dt, correct? Is equal to pi t square minus 80. So now d omega is equal to pi t square minus 80 into dt. This is integration area. So now t equal to 0, omega is equal to 0, t is equal to some 1 second. I want to find out omega, therefore d omega. So that equal to 0 to 1 phi t square minus integral 0 to 1 here dt minus 80 into dt. So that equal to this is phi t square means t cube by 3. Therefore 5 into t cube means 1 cube by 3. Only upper limit because lower limit is 0 minus 8t square by 2. Therefore 4t square 4. So that equal to omega is equal to minus phi 12. Therefore minus 7 by 3. The radian second was. So omega value I got. Now I need to find out. So is asking power. Therefore tau into omega. And tau is equal to 1 second find out. So tau at 1 second is equal to 5 minus 8. That equal to minus 3. Therefore power is equal to tau dot w, tau w that equal to minus 3 into minus 7 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. That equal to minus minus also get cancelled 7 watts. So answer is correct. Good. So now next. So here asking entropy in the problem. Change in entropy. The change in entropy is equal to dE is equal to dq by dq by t. dq by t. So dq is equal to again ms delta t. So now E is equal to dq is equal to ms into delta t. Therefore ms into delta t by t. So this is dE entropy. So now integration, we are doing integral dE is equal to ms into integral delta t by t from t1 to t2. Direct to formulas only. Therefore you will get entropy value E is equal to ms into 1 by x dx equal log x ln of x. So upper limit t2 minus ln into t1. t2 minus t1 don't write, it will be different. Therefore ms into ln of log a minus log b is equal log a by b, t2 by t1. t2 by t1. By answer by options, this is the optional question is given actually, but to write options I have taken directly answer. So this is the answer. So from the options, which method you have to follow also, sometimes it will be clues. So problems until this time they have given like that only. So I hope you understand all the questions. So this set also somewhat easy, not that much difficult, right?